is Style My Way Usha, and my name is Usha. So I do videos related to lifestyle, fashion and styling. So if you are new to my channel, if you like what you watch, please subscribe to my channel and give me a like. So today I'm going to share with you my huge Amazon and Myntra home decor haul. So I'm planning to renovate or redo my living room to make it a little different because I got bored of the same decoration which I have already. It's nice, I'm not saying that it's not good, but I want to change it so that it doesn't become boring. So without further ado, let's see what all I got. The first thing which I want to share with you are these candle stands which I really love. They are not very expensive, also quite reasonable, and they look so beautiful. I love this quirky style which they have. This is made up of metal. These are candle tea light candle holders actually, and this is all made of cane, the umbrella and all this. And I love this style, it's so cute. This is how they look. So the next thing which I want to show you is this table runner, which is like this shabby chic kind of boho kind of thing. I really love this kind of weave here on the table runner. This is for my coffee table, but I'm not decided yet whether I'm going to use this for coffee table or my dining table, because it's quite big and I think it will fit my dining table too. So let's see what I'm going to do with this. You might think that it is like so dull and not colorful and all. Actually, why I got this is that I'm trying to move more towards eco-friendly stuff. So I'm ordering most of the items which are like natural fibers, which are biodegradable and which are not harmful for the environment. So that is why I got that one. So the next one is something which I really loved, and it's very nice. So I'm going to show you. It's very heavy. Let me pick it up first. Oh my god. So it's this rug. I think it's 4 by 6 or 5 by 7 feet. So this is how it looks. It's a jute rug. It's all handmade. I got this from Amazon. I really love this one. This is like a multicolored rug, so it matches with everything. Whatever you put, any cushion covers or anything you change in your living room, this is always going to match with everything. So that's why I got this one. And it's good for the environment too. I'm moving towards environment friendly stuff. That's why I didn't order any cushion covers from Amazon or anywhere else, because if I was going for like natural fibers or woven fibers wale cushion covers, they were very expensive. So I thought I'll stitch them by myself. So I got some bed sheets, single bedspreads from a local shop here, which was the fabric was got from the weavers, the local weavers and all. It was a very nice fabric, so I stitched them. I'm going to put the pic or video somewhere on the screen, so you can check them out. So thing which I got is the only thing which is not eco-friendly actually. So those are the curtains. Actually, I couldn't find any curtains which were like woven or pure cotton which matched my home decor. So I had to buy these. These are the only ones which I got. They are this green colored curtains. Like they have from light green to dark. They go from the light green to the dark green. So it looks very nice. I got 2 of them for one window which I have in my living room. So after that, I got these cork lights. So I painted this glass bottle a long time ago, and I wanted this lights for this bottle, and I found a pair of lights for like 199 or something on Amazon, and I immediately ordered them, and they look really nice. I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the bottle I have painted. If you are interested and if you want me to show how I painted this glass bottle, please leave comments in the comment section below. So I'll plan a DIY of decorating the bottles or recycling the bottles, as you can say. So this is how they look. I really loved the way it looks when I put lights inside. Otherwise you can't see any design pattern in on it. So I love this. So the next thing which I got from Amazon, I think this is the last thing which I got from Amazon, are these table mats. They are like a set of sets. These are the bamboo table mats. I really loved them. Like they were a little expensive, like they were like 1200 or 1300. So but the style is quite good and the quality is very nice. I have started using them. They are very nice and they are skid proof. They have put this kind of skid proof mat or something behind here, so they are quite good. The quality is very nice. I really love these mats. So now I'm going to show you what all I got from Myntra. The first thing which I'm going to share with you is a black beads Mangal Sutra which I got from Myntra. This is the only thing which is not a home decor. I really loved this one. It was on some discount or something. Actually some sale was going on Myntra when I ordered these items. These same items are I've checked recently, they're quite expensive. Like photo frame set I ordered like for I think 900 or 990 or something like that, but now the price of the same thing was 17 to 1500 as I remember. I have checked it like 2-3 days back. I think Myntra has some kind of thing, like I think now again the sale is going on. If the sale will be there, maybe again they have some discounts on the same products. You have to check it out. The prices might not be the same, that's what I want to say. So this is the one which I got and it's really cute. I really loved this pendant, such a dainty piece, and the pendant is so cute. It looks very nice. It actually no one can tell that it's not gold. It looks like gold one. Very nice. This is how it is. So then last but not the least is the Myntra home decor, and these are so lovely, you guys. I really loved them. When I ordered them I was like, okay, they are very nice, but I'm not sure how good they will be, but they are so good. I am so impressed. This is by this is a canvas painting and a clock set from Sage by Nisha Gupta, as you can see. So it came in this package and it's huge, and I'm going to show you what is there in this. So the first canvas looks like this. It has this pretty pink and green floral print on it. Actually my cushions are pink and green, so the combination is quite good, and I want to use these in my living room so that it matches with everything else. It's quite good. The quality is very nice and I'm really happy with this product. So the next thing in that same set is this one. It has the same print, but it on the background it has this white and black zigzag kind of print. So this is more like a tropical boho theme, so it looks so good in my living room. I just kept them and saw yesterday, and they're looking very nice. This came just yesterday. So the last one is this clock in that set, and look at how lovely and beautiful this clock is. This pattern is very beautiful. I have to put batteries. I don't know, actually I have to check whether it works properly or not first, but the pattern, the design and all is so beautiful. I really love this one. So the last one which I got from Myntra are these set of photo frames. These are also huge. The package is huge and there are quite a lot of frames inside. I guess it is a set of 7 or something, and you can fix them quite easily. They have given some metallic and plastic screw kind of things, and they have given something like a glue or something, and I don't know how to do this. They have given instructions in an instruction a booklet inside, so I'll have to check it out and see how I can fix it. So one is of this size. I think 2 are of this size. Yes, 2 of this size. There are like 4 inches by 6 inches, which are like a normal photo size. And then they have given these lovely birds which I can stick anywhere. They're so cute. I really love this set. It is very nice. Then one is of this size, and then love symbol, and then 2 photo frames of the same 4 by 6 inches size. Like then I got 4 by 6 sized photo frames, then a love sign, and the birds, and then I got 2 more photo frames. One of them is a bigger sized one, which is like, I don't know how much big, they haven't mentioned here, but this is how it is. And then another is of this size. The 4 by 6 one is smaller. This is the medium, I guess, and this is the big one. This I got 2, and the 4 by 6 ones I got 4, and this one I got only 1. So but the set is quite good, and I think I bought this for 900 as much as I remember, but it is quite expensive when it is not on sale. So maybe you can wait for the home decor sale or something and then purchase them if you want. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you like my haul. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And the next video will be how I make over my living room. So bye guys, see you in the next video.